Sweden's highly qualified worker visa, your fastest pathway to a Swedish career in 2026. To qualify in 2026, you'll need a high-demand profession and a confirmed Swedish job offer with a set minimum monthly salary. The minimum monthly salary requirement for 2026 is SEK 55,000, aligning with Sweden's salary standards for skilled roles. You must present proof of higher education or at least 5 years relevant work experience in your specific field. Start your journey online by gathering documents and filling out the official work permit application on the Swedish Migration Agency site. Your Swedish employer must provide a written job offer, meeting the requirements and outlining your position and salary details. Send your signed contract along with supporting documents to the migration agency. Processing typically takes 3 to 4 months. Once approved, visit the nearest Swedish embassy or consulate to provide fingerprints and collect your residence permit card. Roles in engineering and healthcare are projected to be in especially high demand in Sweden through 2026. Tailor your CV for the Swedish market, focus on LinkedIn networking, and apply directly to Swedish companies for best results. Most interviews are conducted online. Prepare for detailed questions about your skills, experience, and familiarity with Swedish work culture. Once you arrive in Sweden, register your address and join the Swedish Population Register to access full residency rights. After 4 years of legal work and residence in Sweden, you can apply for permanent residency for long-term stability. Software engineers, data scientists, nurses, and civil engineers will be top candidates for the highly qualified worker visa in 2026. Your future in Sweden is waiting. Take the next step toward a rewarding career and life in Scandinavia.